If you have your smartphone, I want to show you an app that you can get for free so that it will help you in your selection of sewing machine needles. Some of you may know this already, so forgive me if you do. You go to the App Store or Google Play for Android phones. Search for Schmetz Needles. Choose the second one down, Schmetz, and there it is. I've already downloaded it to my phone, so I will just tap on open. And now you have this awesome free app with information about Schmetz needles. It tells you about the app. You get information about their needle color coding system, needle knowledge, the types of needles, your favorites. These are my favorites. Needles by fabric type, and problem solving. Like, problem solving is fantastic. How many times have you had thread breaking and you don't know why? Bobbin thread breaks. Skip stitches. Why you might have skip stitches. Irregular or poorly formed stitches. I think this is a great tool. Let's go back to the other choices. Needle coding, color coding system. I love this because how many times have you had a needle in your machine and you don't know what needle size it is, what type of needle it is, you just forgot. If it's a Schmetz needle, you can tell what kind of needle it is by the color coding. Isn't that neat? Also, there is needle knowledge, the anatomy of a needle, eye comparisons, how to choose a needle, ton of information at your fingertips while you're at your sewing machine. I think this is a great app to have. So why do I share this? I share this because one of the things that can hinder our progress in quilting, free motion quilting or ruler quilting, having the wrong needle size and type. Not the right needle for what we're doing. Not the right needle for the type of thread that we're using. When I decided to learn free motion quilting, I realized I had to learn about needles and thread. That would increase my success. And now you have all these resources. How they color code their needles. You get knowledge about needles, the anatomy of a needle. There's a chart, what a needle is made of, which also is important. The more we know about needles, the more success we have in sewing, because we need to choose the right needle. And they give you information on how to choose the right needle. They also talk about thread size guide, which is also important. You want to match the needle with the thread. And then what I like too is that you can put in your favorite needles that you use most frequently. Create your own favorite list. Besides having all that great information, are you ever in a store and you're like, okay, what needle do I get? It's right there on your phone. You're at your sewing machine. It's right there on your phone. You don't have to flip through a whole bunch of paper and try and find the information. And they've made it so concise. It's not like, chapters of information. It's just enough information. See you on YouTube and Facebook or Instagram throughout the week.